Morning, guys. Keith at Crypto Bullseye. So it's been a bit of a rocky ride within the crypto market over the last few days. And guys, trust me, I feel your pain on this one. We're going to be talking about Cardano and this 82-cent level. We said 82 cents was going to be the area we needed to break and close above. 82 cents was going to be the next rejection point. 82 cents unfortunately did get rejected and we're now back at 66. So does 66 sound better than 82? Does sound better than 82, but oh yeah, strong support. And is there any bullish momentum? Okay, so we didn't manage to break 82 cents. That was the key level that we were talking about. If we just look at 82 cents, we said that that was going to be the top of the trading pattern here. That's where we were going to get a rejection point. If we closed above 82 cents, that would have showed that the bulls have regained momentum in the short term. Then things would have turned bullish. We would have reanalyzed, and then we'd have been looking for those higher lows. Unfortunately, guys, it hasn't happened. It was rejected once, twice, three times, four times. It was rejected five times before we got a slam straight back down. Where to? The next support, where's that? Bottom of this channel. So we hit the bottom of this channel. That was sitting at 62 cents. We're currently trading at 66 cents now. So is it a good time to be buying Cardano? I'm not going to tell you that, guys, because I can't give you financial advice. But what we can do is we can analyze the charts together, look at risk management techniques, and look at whether that rotation of capital is likely to happen from stable coins, it's likely to happen from Bitcoin, and it's likely to move into higher risk assets such as Cardano. So the first thing that we're going to look at, guys, is this. Talk about the RSI. This is a bullish divergence. What can you see here, guys? We've put in a higher low here. This higher low is a strong signal indicating that we have got that bullish divergence, and you can see that and check that against price action, which is put in lower low. So price action is put in a lower low, RSI is put in a higher low. What does that indicate? Why is it a divergence? Because the RSI, guys, is a measurement of buying and selling pressure. This is telling us that there's buy orders, there's sell orders, and it's telling us who's winning out of the buy orders and who's winning out of the sell orders. Now, indicators are usually lagging, guys. RSI is one of the most real in-time indicators out of the whole of the indicators. You look at the stochastic, that's very much lagging. You look at moving averages, very much lagging. RSI, you can get good signals to give you indications when something's changing as far as buy orders and sell orders are concerned. And that's exactly what's happened here. So this means there's a potential that you're going to get a bounce. We are at strong support. We're at strong support here. We've got an oversold stochastic RSI. We've got a bullish divergence on the RSI, and we're at the bottom of this channel. So that's compliments, guys, upon compliments upon compliments. So that looks good. What we're going to do next is look at the ADA Bitcoin chart and see if we can see any familiarities between the two. Is ADA starting to outperform Bitcoin? One thing that you can see here, guys, overall, ADA's getting battered against Bitcoin. Everything's been battered against Bitcoin during Bitcoin's bull market, where altcoins were having their bear market. Now, this is where things started changing because we put in a higher high and we've come back down and we've put in a higher low. Now this 786 at 0.0000668 Satoshis, that's going to be a strong level to hold. If we come back and retest this level, expect a little bit more downside on the Cardano chart. Doesn't mean it's going to happen, guys, but the aim of the game on this is 819 Satoshis. That's a 61.8% retracement. And if we can get a break and a close above that in the short term, signaling Cardano is likely to start outperforming Bitcoin. That's what we're looking for, guys. We're looking for Cardano, we're looking for Ethereum, we're looking for Solana, we're looking for all of these altcoins to start outperforming Bitcoin over a period of time. And that's going to confirm alt season for us once we get a break and once we get a close of total 3. That's my alt season, guys. Everybody's been calling alt season. Break and close of total 3 hasn't happened. Alt season hasn't happened, no matter what anyone's telling you. And this is the next thing. It's the Bitcoin dominance. Why is it so important, guys? Because this is the first indication of the rotation. This is the first signal that we're going to get. We've just put in, I want to zoom in on this because I'm quite excited about this. We've just put in a lower low, lower close candle. What does that signify? There's the previous candle. There's the extreme low. That was a full-bodied bearish candle, which carries a lot of weight. Next candle, took out the previous extreme low of the previous close, and that signals that the bulls have got momentum. That's showing that the bears have got momentum, and that's what we want on the Bitcoin dominance. We want the bears to have momentum, because when the bears have got momentum on something like Bitcoin dominance, that is showing weaker Bitcoin, stronger altcoins. That's what we want, guys. Weaker Bitcoin, stronger altcoins. So when will this be invalidated? Well, it's not going to look good if this green candle here finishes above 61%. However, I think there's a high probability today that we will get rejected at this level and then a further move to the downside. Once we break down from this channel, this is what we've been waiting for, and this is what we've been waiting patiently for. This is what they've been making us work hard for, because this, guys, once you drop in here, this is your alt season. Once dominance drops that hard, things are coming out of Bitcoin. People have already made their gains in Bitcoin. There's going to be some kind of catalyst, some kind of narrative, retail interest in crypto again. And then once this signal happens, guys, bam, that is the start of alt season. So that's what we're waiting for, guys. Signals look good at first. Signals look good at early indications. We're looking good. I want to take out this channel. This channel's sitting at 60%. So once we've taken out 60%, that's where the real rally starts. Okay, now this is questions from me to you, asking you exactly how I should direct my channel. What could you benefit from me, and how can I present myself in a way that's going to help the most people possible? One thing that I'm not going to do, guys, is shill meme coins. One thing that I'm not going to do is shill lots of leverage. I don't want a community where people can wreck themselves. I don't want to give people tools where people can wreck themselves, but it's all about financial freedom, attaining wealth, keeping wealth, passive income streams. And it's all about, guys, understanding exactly what it is that you're getting into. So what is it that would help you as far as your trading journey is concerned, as far as investments concerned? Would it be a community? Because we've got a free community here, lots of great guys in there. Get yourself in there, completely free. They're very easy to talk to. Would it be bringing back the Crypto Bullseye portfolio to show you portfolio diversification, portfolio management, and how to scale positions down and not scale positions up without putting all of your eggs in one basket and having a diversified spread, guys? That's why these things have held up. This is why this has held up after we've had that massive crash in altcoins. Altcoins have had capitulation. Bullseye portfolio held up. Why? It was diversified. It was at strong support. It was at key levels. And it was during a build phase. So do you want the Bullseye portfolio to be brought back? Because there's some entries that I can add to there. There's one rule. Can't average my position up. I can only average it down. So there's a couple of positions that I can add to this. Do you want it bringing back? Do you want it bringing back? Next thing I want to know, can I hit 10,000 subscribers by the end of April? Yeah, that's a cheesy one, guys, but let me know if you think that that's possible. Ultimately, I want to build a community, guys. What is it that you want from me? Do you want me to reach out to a team? I'm quite happy to reach out to a team of professionals, professional traders. I'm happy to reach out to people that do tax consultancy services. I'm happy to reach out to VPNs, hardware wallets. I want you to tell me exactly what it is that you want me to do, guys, because we can create a group, we can create an investment group, we can create something special. But the only thing is, I need to know that that's exactly what you want, so I can put the resource in myself and find these people, because they're not going to be cheap, guys. Not going to be cheap. So let me know exactly what it is that you want me to do, and I will see you in the next one. Let's mold this channel to exactly what you guys want.